Welcome, everyone. Welcome. Hey, Louis. Welcome, Louis. Welcome. Hey, Joe. Welcome, Joe. Welcome, Joe. Hey, Gary.
David,
Welcome, Gary. Welcome, guys. Hey, Solomon. Welcome. Hey, Mary. Welcome, Mary. All right, guys. Let's go ahead and get started. Now, hey, Sega. Welcome, welcome. I've been having some technical issues with TradeStation. All right. It's been crashing on me, so I'm hoping that we can get through this training without any issues. All right. So if we go down, if TradeStation goes down, just know that that's what's going on. But hopefully, um, we do have some information that I want to get to you guys. So hopefully that doesn't happen. All right. As far as the equity markets, all right, the markets was down across the board. All right, but still holding. All right, still holding firm. The VIX is about 14 right here. The Dow, again, retraced a bit, but still holding near resistance. All right, so right here, holding near resistance. Still, I'm holding its buy signal. All right, and green candles. Nasdaq is holding firm right here. Nice price action there. The S&P right here, S&P, right, holding right at resistance, looking to break that resistance line. All right, so really good price action, just down for the day, down for the day. All right, let's see here. And the Russ is still holding here. Most of the sectors are holding, guys. Most of the sectors are holding. We only have 3 sectors that are down. Otherwise, everything else is holding. Um, we'll take a look at. We'll actually go through Forex this evening to take a look at picks. But I want to show US 30. I know we have some of our US 30 traders here. We probably called that sell for the US 30 too early. I want to show you guys here, and then we'll get into the other systems. Where is it here? All right, so here's Monster Futures. Here's the US 30. US 30, we went short. All right, and boy, this big candle here, big candle came in here, turned green, and we called it as a close. All right, but look what it's doing now. So I think we call this too early to exit the trade. The short still looks good. So if anyone wants to get in that trade, you can certainly get back in again. So it looks really, really good. But this got us here. You know, sometimes we just, well, want to wait for that candle to close. And we had about 5 minutes left, and it did not close green. Price came all the way back down, closed white, and look what happened. Sellers came back in. So those of you who got out of it, all right, you can certainly get back in, but be careful. All right, we still, if you guys look here, the US 30, we still have a buy signal here, and we are trading near resistance. We are not trading near support, but sellers can come in. Markets were down today, so sellers can definitely come in. All right, so just be careful, trade lightly. All right, and build positions. I hope you guys saw that that coaching we did with Dean, and then Solomon came on the call, and Dean talked about scaling, right? Getting in lightly in these trades, and that's not just for US 30, but all your trades. Get in slowly, right? And as that trade builds, you can add to that position. Okay, so just remember that. Don't get in with a large position right off the bat initially. All right, let's go through current positions in Monster Scalper long position. So Monster Scalper long positions. All right. And like I said, we'll look for some new positions this evening. Monster Scalper long positions. All right. So Swiss yen. right? Buy signal is here, right? Trading between support and resistance, consolidating here. Wide candles, pay attention to that. We're seeing it's not a total rotation yet, but we are seeing some of these yen pairs close. All right. Euro, yen, red candle here. All right. So euro, yen. All right, red candles here, guys. So we're gonna close this trade. All right, buy signal was here, 150, 156, right? So about 600 pips. So take those profits, close that trade. So EUR JPY, let's close that. All right. So there isn't a rotation yet, right? A total rotation yet out of the yen pairs, but it's happening. It's happening. All right. SGD JPY. All right. SGD JPY. White candle here. All right. Buy signal was right here. That's a great run. All right. If you guys want white candle here, right, it could break support, give a sell signal like it did here, red candle. All right. If you just want to take profits, you can certainly do that. We'll wait for a red candle or sell signal. All right. SGD JPY. Pound yen is holding, but right at support again. All right. No white candles, no red candles, no sell signals. You can keep an eye on it. But again, pay attention closely because they've been running for a while. They've been running over 4 months. So I mean, for 4 weeks, so almost 5 weeks, five and a half weeks. So a long time they've been running up. All right. So they're due for a retracement, all right, in the yen pairs. Okay. Euro ZAR that closed. So bought here, sold here. So close that trade. All right. The dollar pairs, keep an eye on the dollar pairs, guys. All right. So USD SEK buy signal is here. That's moving nicely. All right. Dollar ZAR. All right. Dollar ZAR that closed. So we're going to get rid of that. All right. USD CAD. All right, buy signal is here. That's holding. All right, and this one here closed. All right, USD CNH that closed. We can get more buy. We can get another buy signal, guys, in these dollar pairs. All right, and USD CZK that's still holding there. All right. Aussie CAD. All right. Aussie CAD buy signal is here. White candles that's holding. New Zealand CAD that's holding right here. Buy signal trading nicely there. New Zealand Swiss buy signal is here. That's holding all green candles. And New Zealand dollar retraced a bit. Green candles, just hold on to it. We do need to get past resistance in this area right there. All right. So those are the longs in Monster Scalper. And let's take a look at the shorts. All right, so short positions in Monster Scalper. All right, ZAR Yen. All right, ZAR Yen, that short closed. All right, green candles here. We could possibly get another short signal there, but we need to be careful. The last two shorts failed, almost identical. Sold short here, buy to cover. Sold short here, buy to cover. Red candle here. So if it gives another short signal, just go lightly. Be careful with that. Eventually, it could break down, right? Could break down, really move lower. Right now, they're holding it. All right. Euro NOK. All right. Sell short signal is here. That's holding. Euro New Zealand. Sell short signal holding nicely. Looking to break support. Redistribution. EUR SGD. Sell short signal here. All right. White candle. Now we've got red candles early in the markdown phase. All right. So those are the shorts in Monster Scalper. Let's take a look at Forex Dominator. All right, Forex Dominator. All right, long positions in Forex Dominator. All right. USD that's been holding well, guys. That's that dollar pair. And if the dollar starts to move higher, all right, we could see. Oh, let's take a quick look at the dollar here. Dollar, look at that dollar. All right, dollar's got a nice candle here in the futures market, right? And it's up right now. Equities are down, so we could see the dollar. Keep an eye on the dollar. All right, we could see the dollar move higher, and we could see these dollar pairs move higher. Okay, so USD CNH in Forex Dominator, buy signal here, holding nicely. We have resistance here, right? Pretty good resistance here if we come across all the way here. So if it breaks through that resistance, we could see USD CNH move much higher. Forex Dominator has been holding the yen pair as well. All right. So, but keep an eye. All right. If they start to sell, close in Monster Scalper, they start to reverse in a big way in Forex Dominator because we're trading on the daily time frame here. So Aussie yen holding nicely. Buy signal here, all the way up here. CAD yen. All right. CAD yen buy signal here, holding nicely. All right. But again, resistance is up in this area here. All right. So not a bad idea to take profits. Swiss yen, buy signal is here, moving up nicely. Euro yen, same thing. Buy signal is here, right? Closed in Monster Scalper, but still holding in Forex Dominator. Pound yen, nice trade here, going for lots of pips, guys. That's almost, what's that? Almost 800 pips. Crazy. All right. Hong Kong HKD, JPY, buy signal is here, moving nicely. Singapore yen, right? Buy signal is here, all green candles, and ZAR yen. All right, buy signal is there, holding. Keep an eye on this one. We got purple support and resistance. So we have lower highs, lower lows within that consolidation there. All right. Pound Aussie, guys, still holding, right? No real breakout yet in most of these pound pairs. Okay. Pound Swiss consolidating there. All right. Pound HKD, that's your Hong Kong pair, tight consolidation in there. Pound New Zealand, all right, buy signal is here, retraced. Pound SGD, right, that's the best trading pound pair right now in Forex Dominator. And then pound dollar, all right, pound dollar here, consolidating right here. All right, so just keep an eye on, I would say, the yen pairs, right? Even the pound pairs, they're just holding, right? Not really breaking out. All right. So you could, if you're in those, you could, get out, move your capital around, right? All right. Yeah, we were hoping that those pound pairs would move by now. All right. Short positions in Forex Dominator. All right. USD MXN. That should still hold. Look at that. Great short trade here going, breaking support down there. Redistribution phase. Euro CAD. Sell short signal is here, consolidating. All right. Keep an eye on this one. White support. I'm sorry, yellow. Look here. Yellow support and resistance. Okay. So we got higher highs, higher lows within, right? Within support and resistance. We got pretty good support. So this is a concern. When you've got really good support like this, right? Yellow support and resistance are coming in. So price is moving higher. You guys can see these candles are moving higher. We could get a break higher and close this short. So if anyone is in it, just keep an eye on it. All right. New Zealand CAD. All right. Sell short signal is there. We've got some red, white candles. We need red candles to come back down. Keep an eye on this one. All right. If you get a green candle, get out. Definitely get out if you get a sell signal by the system. All right. All right. So we're going to go right into, now we are testing some, an upgrade. I'll let you guys know if we decide to do this upgrade. All right. Just a change in We might bring in another time frame as a foundation in Monster Scalper and Forex Dominator. All right, I'm testing it out. We'll see, right? If we do it. All right, all right. So these are, we're looking for new opportunities to go long in Monster Scalper. All right, Monster Scalper. New Zealand Swiss, we're in New Zealand Swiss, just a pullback, still looks good. New Zealand CAD, we're in New Zealand CAD, still looks good. These are the yen pairs, so ZAR yen, right? Keep an eye on these ZAR yen, on these yen pairs you guys see here, right? We got red coming in, a lot of red coming in. All right. And with this, if we decide to launch this upgrade with Monster Scalper, we have separation here. So Aussie, Kiwi, Yen pairs, those are separated. These are up here. Dollar, Euro, and Pound pairs are down here. All right. So we'll see. We might do this. I like the way this is set up. So we'll see. All right, I'll let you guys know, our Monster Scalper traders, and if we make this change, we'll also make it with Forex Dominator. Okay, but you guys can let me know if you like this. We have the 240 and the daily here. 240 on top, that'll be your trading window, and the daily down here as your foundation. Okay, and what we would like to do is have a buy signal in order to go long. We would like to have, you don't have to wait for a buy signal, but a green candle, all right, on the daily, and then your trading window will be on the 240. Okay, so we'll see if we can find any new opportunities to go long. Keep an eye on these yen pairs. These yen pairs are due for a big pullback. All right. So euro yen, that just closed, guys. Look at that. Yep. So you guys should have received signals. Those of you who have your signals, you should have had a signal, Monster Scalper, to close that trade. It just closed, red candle there. All right. So Swiss yen will probably close soon. So protect those profits. All right. CAD yen closed. All right. CAD yen closed right here. All right. Bought here, sold here. And these here are good trades, guys. Look here. Really good trades there. Okay. All right. Aussie yen. Let's see, Aussie yen. Buy signal was here with Aussie yen. All right. If you get a red candle, just close that trade. All right. Like I said, the yen pairs are due for a pullback. All right. All right. So no new trades. Let's take a look at the dollar pairs. This is where we might see some opportunities. Now, we are long a few of the dollar pairs already. Okay. So keep an eye on dollar ZAR, green candles here. All right. And here's the daily. So if that daily here, if that daily breaks up, we get a green candle. It's got white candles now. Right. So if that daily breaks up, gives a green candle, guess what? We get a buy signal here. Really good confirmation. Really, really good confirmation. All right. So dollar ZAR, keep an eye on it. No buy signal yet, but if that comes through, I'll let you know. All right. Same thing with USD TRY. We have a nice trend on the daily time frame. Right. Two previous long trades closed. This was for a loss. Just waiting for another buy signal there. All right. All right. USD JPY, keep an eye on it. We just need a buy signal there. All right. Green candles here, pullback. Right now it's moving higher on the daily. Right. Buy signal right here, looking to break resistance. If it breaks resistance, that's really good. Right on the daily, and that will really push the 240 up. All right. All right. USD SEK. All right. USD SEK. I believe we're in this trade already. Yes, we're in USD SEK. And then look at the daily. So buy signal here and look at our foundation, right? Nice big candles here. All right. All green, right? So that should help. USD PLN. We're going to add that symbol, guys. We're going to add that symbol. All right, so USD PLN, and that's in Monster Scalper. All right, now this is a bit risky. We do not have a green candle here. All right, but if it breaks, if that gets a little bit more buy-in, that can break through, get a green candle. All right, we'll go ahead and take it because those dollar pairs are moving. All right, but just be careful. One green candle is all we need. We have a white candle right here, so just be careful. All right, all right. USD PLN. USD HUF, we missed this trade. This was an early one. We missed this. USD HUF. Nothing here. All right. USD DKK. We are not in this one here. All right. Let's wait. If we can get a green candle here. All right. Buy signal is already in place. Retraced. Okay. A green candle comes in. Guess what? We can break through here and now take this up, continue this buy signal here. So wait on this one. USD CZK. USD CZK. We're already in this one here. We have a green candle here, right? Green candle here. All right. Retraced. Buyers are still holding. All right. Buy signal right here. All right. Nice cup and handle building there. Okay. USD CNH. We talked about this one. USD CNH. All right. Look at this. Nice markdown phase on the daily. All we need is a buy signal here. So you guys get a buy signal in your systems, our monster scalper traders. All right. You get a buy signal here. All right. Look at how the system has been trading it. It's been trading it really, really well. All right. Here was a profitable trade, another profitable trade, another profitable trade, and another profitable trade. So 1, 2, 3, 4 profitable trades. Okay. And so it's holding nicely. All right, holding, trading very nice with the system. Green candles there. And again, the daily in Monster Scalper here, the daily looks good here. All right. In Forex Dominator, we have the weekly. We'll have the weekly as our foundation. All right. And this will help us get into much better trades. All right. And keep us from trading counter trend trades where we're trading against the overall trend. So that's the purpose for adding this. All right. And I think we'll keep it, but I'm testing it. We'll test it a bit further. All right. All right. Nothing here. Consolidating. Dollar Swiss. Dollar CAD. All right. Wait on dollar CAD. Let's see here. We are in this one. We call this was, if you guys look here, we call this one here. We've been in this for a few days now. All right. But this was prior to adding this. So if we had this based on this, right, we wouldn't take this trade here. Because if you guys look here, we clearly on the daily in the markdown phase. All right. Not that buyers can come in. All right. But there's a good chance sellers can come back in and guess what? Get us out. All right. All right. Get us out of this long trade here. So we're just going to fine tune the trades a bit. All right. With Monster Scalper. All right. If we launch it, I'll let you guys know and we'll start doing installations next week. Okay. But I do like it. So that's dollar CAD. All right. Let's take a look at the euro. Euro pairs long. All right. Euro pairs long. All right. EURTRY. That's a big one to keep on your radar, guys. Look at your foundation, your daily, right? Nice all green candles, nice upward trend. The previous trades, right? Really good trading, right? Looking to break resistance. We get another buy signal. That's really good. On the daily, it will look to break through that resistance and move higher. All right. So good, perfect setup. This is absolutely the type of setup we want to see in Monster Scalper. All right. EURSGD. All right. It's got a buy signal here on the daily. We just need that 240 to come up. Green candles. All right. Previous trade was really good. A buy signal here is a continuation. And guess what? On your daily here, you have really good resistance here. So if it breaks through, that could really push the 240. All right. EURSGD. All right. EURSEK. All right. EURSEK. Let's see here. We are not in this trade. All right. So we're going to add it. All right. So EUR, and I'll go through it. EUR. Our monster scalper traders, you guys should be really looking at this one here. All right. EURSEK. I would do a double check on that one in monster scalper. All right, so look at this. This is why I like this upgrade. All right, nice. You got a buy signal on your daily. We don't trade it on the daily. We're just looking for that trend. The buy signal here, nicely in the markup phase. Look at buyers, right? Breaking out, breaking resistance. All right, on the daily. And then look at the 240 here. You got a buy signal here on the 240. And guess what? It's breaking resistance right here, guys. It's breaking resistance right there. All right. So it's still good to get in. Buy signal is here. That's still good. There's no guarantee, but this will help us get much better trades. All right. All right. Following the trend, following the overall trend. All right. So EURSEK, we'll add that in Monster Scalper as a buy. EURPLN. All right. Wait on this one here. Right, long way to go. All right, no buy signals, nothing there. All right, nothing here, nothing here. EURHUF, really good setup. All right, really good setup, but it's gone. All right, buy signal came in here on the daily, broke resistance. All right, nice big candle, but buy signal is here. It's gone too far to get in. EURHUF. But guess what? Right? The other euro pairs will follow. All right. So just be patient. There are more. All right. Wait. All right. EURCZK, we have a buy signal on the daily here, retraced. All right. A buy signal on the 240. The thing is, we have really good resistance right here, and it's in a tight consolidation. All right, very tight consolidation. So if we bring in right here, very, very tight consolidation. Look at that here. So if you're going to trade this, we won't call it. All right, yeah, it has to break through that resistance. Okay, so I would wait on that for it to break through resistance there. Everything else looks good. Buy signal, green candles, just needs to break out. EURCZK. Euro Swiss, nothing there yet. Euro CAD, nothing there. Aussie CAD, nothing there yet. Keep an eye on not a bad setup here. All right, we have green candles building on the daily. All right, this is pound ZAR. Buy signal is here. Choppy though, choppy in here, but it looks like it wants to really move higher. Okay. But it's not, I guess, not too far from the buy signal. Okay. Just not a smooth trade here. Okay. Pound dollar, nothing there. Pound SGD. All right, nice. Look at this. Look at the daily, guys. Nice daily. And all we want is a continuation, right? So nice daily and trend on the daily. And all we need is a buy signal, right? Buy signal right here. Come in. And again, trading in the direction of the overall trend on the daily time frame. GPP PLN. Not a very good chart, guys. Look at this, very choppy. Look at this, very choppy in here. All right, so we'll leave that. Has a buy signal, but very choppy. Pound New Zealand, I would wait. All right, good trading on the daily. Wait for a buy signal on the 240. All right, pound Swiss, a good setup, but those pound pairs have been consolidating. Look at this, guys. This is like for 4 years it's been consolidating. We'll stay away from this. Pound Aussie, all right, we just need a buy signal here. All right, a little bit of a breakout here. All right, so Forex dominator. So we have two, Euro PLN and dollar PLN and Euro SEK to go long. There are some shorts. Let's take a look at some shorts. Shorts in Monster Scalper. Shorts in Monster Scalper. Aussie New Zealand. All right, that's still near the short signal. Look at this, red candles here, guys, on the daily. All right, red candles coming in on the daily. Let me open it up. All right, red candles coming on the daily. You could take it back all the way back down to support right here. All right, so we're gonna add that. It's not too far from the sell short signal right there. So so that is Aussie, NZD, Aussie New Zealand short in Monster Scalper. All right. All right. TURJPY. Look at the previous shorts, guys. Really good short. Short came in right here. All right. Look at this. Short came in right on this break of support right here. Look at the daily. All right. Look at that daily here. This will help your trades, guys. This will help your overall trades. That's the goal with this update. All right. Gary, how can you create another window to look at the daily? We'll set this up for you, Gary. All right, so get with me. Anyone on here, we'll send out some messages to set up your installation on the upgrade. All right. Let me know if you guys like this. I think I like it. I think I like it. My only concern is that we don't trade on the daily, that it's only for your foundation. All right, your trading window will still stay at the 240. Okay, so that's my only concern. I like this separation here where we're separating, you know, the Euro session, the London session, the US session, and then the Asian session. I've talked about, you know, having this separated, so we'll do that. And then, you know, and then this here, I think it's great. I think this is good. I think this will help the trading, okay, with Monster Scalper. Gary, just get with me. All right, just get with me. and we'll get the that new update for you. Okay. I- All right. I think we'll go ahead and launch it. Usually before you guys see this, before I launch it, I launch things first, and then we'll put it up here. But I wanted to kind of go through it this evening. All right. I do like it. So TRY JPY, good short here, guys. Good short. So sell short signal here, right? Breaking support right here, and guess what? Look at this. On the daily, it's also breaking here. All right. Joe, you like it too? Yeah, I think it's pretty cool, guys. So Joe, you guys, I know you guys have this system, so just get with me. We'll start next week. We'll look to start doing the upgrades next week. Those of you who want it right now, okay, we might be able to work on that before next week. Okay. All right. Okay, so good trade. TRY, JPY. Yeah, I am really liking it. All right. No, we've done this. We do this with some of the other systems too. We do it with our US 30, and we've had really good results. So let's see here. TRY, JPY, Euro. Euro yen. If we get a sell short signal euro yen, we want to take that. We'll send those out. All right. We send out. I think we send out CAD yen. Did we send out CAD yen short? I thought we did. Yes, CAD yen short. We'll send that out again. All right. CAD yen short. Now on the daily, we don't have any red, right? We don't have any red. All right. So we don't want to wait though on here. All right. We know that these yen pairs are really extended. All right. So they're really due for a pullback. Okay. But just know that it might be early. What would be nice if we can get a nice big white candle. So that comes down, break support, get a nice white candle there, right? Stay in that short. By the time that daily gets a big red candle, guess what? We down pretty low here in profit. Okay. Let's see here. Nothing here. Let's see if we can find another short. USD NOK. Sell short signal is here. We do have a red candle. Now it's trying to turn white there. All right, but trying to turn white. But if that red candle can continue to come down, okay, this could be good. And then you have support here. These support levels on these daily time frames can be very strong. But boy, if we break them, right, they can really go a lot lower. Okay, so we're gonna wait on the USD and okay, because remember the dollar pairs are moving higher. Dollar pairs are moving higher, so keep an eye on that. All right. USD HKD. All right, sell short signal is here. That's gone. USD MXN, that's already trading lower. Okay, let's add USD MXN. It's been doing its own thing, guys. Look at the previous trade. Look at the previous short trade here. All right, this one failed. All right, but this one is trading nicely down. All right, so we'll add that. USD MXN. I know it's a dollar pair, but it's been doing its own thing, guys. It's been trending lower, doing its own thing. And on the daily time frame, look what it's doing on the daily. Look at the daily. All right. And breaking down. Look, it's breaking through there. All right. So, all right. All right, let's look for. These euro pairs are all over the place. Some are long, some are short, all over the place. Just be careful. All right. Also, the pound pairs, nothing there. Now, just keep in mind, guys, if you look here, right, look at this, very mixed, very mixed. Some are long, some are short, right? These are the euro pairs and even the dollar pairs. So, not a lot of, solid direction, all right? A little better in here, but just be careful. As far as we've got, what's that? About half, 50%. Yeah, we're about 50%, right? Consolidating. 50% of pairs are consolidating. 50% are getting in that markup phase, trending. So there's definitely some type of a rotation starting to happen. Okay, so just keep that in mind. We don't have, no one is in control, right, of the price action. So it's just all over the place for right now. All right, but you can pick. We just be careful. Stock boss. Let's take a look at. I want to do this quickly here. We'll go through the current trades in stock boss. The market was down today, so we won't look for any new opportunities. We'll just look at what we've got. So we'll look for white. Remember, white candles, right? You can, if you're conservative, you can get out. Red candles, definitely get out, close the trade. Sell signal, white arrow by the system, close the trade. All right, we'll go through this quickly. Just want to make sure that most of these are holding. These are in stock boss, $10 and lower. CVAC, white candle, keep an eye on that one, guys. LYEL, white candle, keep an eye on that one. Don't be surprised if we start bringing in a foundational time frame on all of these systems just to get us. We want to follow these trends, and sometimes they look great on our trading window, but OPRT, right? White candle, keep an eye on that. POWW, white candle, keep an eye on that. Let's see here, almost done with stock boss. SHCR, white candle here, keep an eye on it. All right, we don't want selling to come in and we're still in. Not bad. VLD, white candle, keep an eye on it. So nothing to close so far. All right, VMEO, white candle, keep an eye on it. Oh, spoke too soon. ZIMV, all right, close it, guys. Buy signal was here, red candle, sell signal. All right, so the buy was at 10.15, sell 9.86, close the trade, get out of it. All right, so that's Stock Boss. Let's take a look at Bullmaster, and then we'll be done this evening. Those of you, Gary, Joe, probably Solomon, just let me know. Send me a message, and we'll schedule the upgrade. And I'll also send it out to everyone. All right, Bullmaster here, and we'll go through this quickly. Get you guys out of here. Same thing. White candles. Pay attention to it. Those of you who are conservative in your trading, you can close it, or definitely close it on a red candle, a sell signal by the system. And Bullmaster has done a good job holding on to these trades. Let's see here. AFRM, white candle, keep an eye on it. AGNC, white candle here. You might want to get out of this one if we don't get a bounce, right? Purpose, support, and resistance. If we don't get a bounce, you might want to get out of it. Okay. ANSS, white candle here. Keep an eye on it. So these are holding. And the markets were down today, but not by a lot. So COUR, white candle here, purpose, support, and resistance, right? Getting near to previous resistance is support. So keep an eye on that. CAVC, white candle, keep an eye on that. INTC, white candle, keep an eye on that. Intel. KMT, white candle, keep an eye on it. LEGN, white candle, keep an eye on it. LMND, white candle. Light, LITE, white candle here, keep an eye on it. LZ, that closed today, LZ, all right? So buy signal here was at 10.51, right? Sell signal came in at 11.59. So get rid of it, close it, okay? And we'll be done in a minute. ROKU, Roku, white candle, keep an eye on it, please. SFNC, white candles, consolidating there, all right? If you're in this one, just close the trade. We'll keep it in here, but just, it's not moving. All right. We need movement. SGSG, right? Hold that. Pit station didn't go down. Huh. TWLO, buy signal here, sell signal, get out of it. Buy signal was at 66, sell signal came in at 62. So close the trade, get out of it. TWLO. All right, so we'll remove that. VIPS, white candle. Keep an eye on it. You might not want to wait for sellers to come in on that one. XMTR, white candle. ZIMZ, did I call? ZIMV, right? Sell signal right here. And ZS, that's holding. And that's it. All right, guys. All right. So not bad. A few more closed in Bullmaster, but overall, their equities are holding. And we'll see what the market does. We had some selling today, but the trend is still intact. Our US 30 traders, let's take a quick look at the US 30. I know it pulled back, but it might continue to go lower. We'll take a quick look, and then we'll be done. All right, so it's holding that short. All right, it is holding that short. So those of you who got out, right, we called it to, and you know, probably should have waited for that candle to close, and definitely did not follow our rule here. Our rule is to, but that US 30, you know, it moves so fast, guys, right? So you know that candle was green. If that closed green and you get another green candle, all of a sudden it's all the way up here. So sometimes it's good to be conservative, you know, with the US 30 because it moves really, really fast. But we'll call this again. So the US 30 short. So US 30 to go short. It looks good to go short. All right. And we're here at resistance. I mean, if the market continues some selling, it can go, you know, much lower. But even if the US 30 gets to anywhere down in this area here, still a good trade. Still a good trade. So we're going to call it again. Get back in the US 30. All right, guys, take care. Have a good evening, and we'll talk to you guys tomorrow. All right, take care. All right, bye-bye.